This is my TRS-80 pocket computer PC2. I've just recently repaired it. The first thing that went wrong was the computer was not turning on. I had it working for a time, just the computer part. I was able to write some programs. And then one day it stopped turning on. I discovered that, let's see, where is it? I don't know if you can see it or not. There's a diode here in the power section right there that so I think it burned out or something, because it didn't have any voltage or anything going across it, and it did not make continuity either way. So I replaced that one, and that is right off the battery. So if that went, that's the end of that. And now, as you can see, I'll show you it turns on. But the other thing I need to fix on the printer was I needed to replace this pinion right here on the stepping motor. The stepping motor that drives the X-axis. And I also fabricated pen cartridge, or one pen cartridge so far for that. And I also had to change out the pinion on the Y stepping motor too, because they were both of those pinions were cracked. The other thing that I needed to do was I totally restrung this thing, so I took a piece of nylon cord and restrung the whole thing. And here's a picture of the pen cap right there, and in the pen case. And let's see if I can find, well, let's see. So there's the pinion right there that was cracked. And the pinion that I replaced it with came out of an old printing calculator, and the other one came out of an even weirder place. It came from a CD player drive screw pinion, like you know, the pinion that drives the drive screw that moves the laser. I took one out of a CD player and put it in here. So I'll just show you how this works, and I'll start it up, and the printer should run its startup routine. Let me turn on my power supply. Alright, that was successful. Now I'll show you the fabricated pen cap. I mean pen case. This is just a wooden dowel in there. I know I don't think you can't see it too well, but there's a wooden dowel in that pen cylinder that holds a regular pen cartridge. And it's small enough to fit in there. But the pen was too small, so I made a little case around the pen with a dowel that I had fashioned into a little case. And you can advance the paper, and yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to load a program from this tape recorder that allows the printer to print names. It just prompts you for a name, so I'll load that up. So I press def and I, which is the load key, and then I press enter, and then I press the play button on the tape recorder. Okay, the program is finished loading. I type in run, press enter. So now it's asking me for, it says it's name program. Select the size of font. Now I programmed only 3 font sizes into here, each one being one away from the other. So it doesn't have, it's got 9 font sizes. I only programmed 3 font sizes to work with this program. So I will choose font size 1, which is actually font size 2 in reality in this, because 1 was small. which I might demonstrate later. Now press enter, and it asks you for your name. So I'll just write PH. Just like on my YouTube, I'll just write my YouTube name. So, and then I'll print it by pressing enter. And as you can hear, it made a beep to signal that the print had finished. And it's a little crooked, but usually when you start it up the first time, it makes a little crooked. So you can also print in a different size. So let me clear that and run the program once more. RUN, name program, size of font 3. And then I'll just write a random name like Joe and have it print it. And it's done. I don't know if you can see that very well. Let me see. You can't really see that. Oh well, but oh yeah, there you go. See? You can kind of see it in big letters. That's some font size 5, I think. Sorry about the quality of that being so crappy, but yep, there's my pocket computer, and it's working pretty good now. So I just need to put the 3 more color cartridges in there, and it's done.